श्री श्रीरामकृष्ण समर्थ सद्गुरुदेवाय नमः.
Are you the one who got jaded from day-to-day somnambulist lifestyle? Then why are you waiting? Embark on a journey to wellness. We warmly invite you for a 2 days in-house gut detoxification workshop from 23rd February 4 p.m. to 25th February 6 p.m. What is in it for you? Experience the transformative power of tailored gut detoxification. Learn the art of nourishing your body and mind with detoxifying diet. Be blessed with mindfulness meditation. Explore the profound impact of advanced breathing techniques. Embrace the power of partner yoga. Enjoy the experience of cow heart. Be blessed with the company of tree heart. Exfoliate dead skin cells through mudbath. Receive expert guidance tailored to your unique needs. And many more are waiting for you. Join us on 23rd February at 4 p.m. at Mount Shamballa, an institution for new era education. Limited seats are available. Take first step towards rejuvenation and inner balance. Reserve your spot.